I am Dr. Sourabh Patwardhan. I am one of the mentors for the PhacoTips Phaco teaching course, which we are going to conduct the 4th season on 21st to 23rd of June 2024 at Kolhapur. And this is a much awaited course because we have got so many inquiries after giving the first information about this course, and also registrations are going on. I will just give you a brief idea what the course is about. So this is not like a conference. We'll have a single hall where we'll start on 21st June with some didactic lectures, some discussions on basics of Phacos and different basic Phaco steps. And then on 22nd of June we'll have a whole day live surgery session as well as, and everything will be in the 3D. Apart from live surgeries, we'll also have some discussions, some video quizzes in between. We may have some very interesting deferred live surgeries as well on the 22nd June, which is on Saturday. On 23rd of June, we have a very interesting session called roast session, where we'll be criticizing different videos, which we might be having different submissions from all of you, those who are attending. Apart from that, our own videos and complications will be criticizing. Then we'll have what will you do session, where we'll be asking you what will you do in particular situation. There will be some interesting discussions on decision making as well. And we'll continue with the premium IOL practice, that is how to decide about the premium IOLs, how to upgrade your surgeries, as well as how to upgrade your practices. So that will be there. Apart from that, we will be also having some very interesting guest lectures. Every time we invite some of the best surgeons all around the world who perform very different kind of surgeries, and which might give you another goal in front of you to perform in the next year. So I am sure all of you will definitely enjoy and also take something home from this course. And this is quite very well recognized course, where those who have attended our earlier courses are recommending this course, as well as they are also going to come for this 4th course as well. So make sure that you keep those dates, save the dates. The registration link is already there. For those who wish to join us online, we'll be giving a link later. This is primarily a physical course, but of course those who cannot attend will have online link as well. Of course those videos will be all in 2 dimensions and not 3D. Of course those who are physically present for the conference will enjoy all the 3D surgical videos. And along with me there are excellent mentors who are passionate about teaching: Dr. Deepak Megur, Dr. Bharathi Megur, and Dr. Nidhi Patwardhan. Apart from me, Dr. Sourabh Patwardhan. And we'll be also inviting few more teachers of ophthalmology who will also enlighten us with their way of doing cataract surgery. So do join us. Do not forget to register right now. Thank you.